Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the country or region in Temu for extra credits and offers. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now if you are on the home page, then you should see the U option, which is the third option on the bottom of the screen. Click on it and now click on the settings, and you should see the country and region option, and here you have some countries: Australia, Canada, France, and so on. So this is important, because if you are in another country, for example, and you want to order something or you move there, then you should select that country and region, because some offers and some free gifts and so on can be collected only if you are in that country. For example, right now I'm in Romania, but some coupons and some stuff it's not eligible for this country, but for the United States mainly everything, and you can see some other countries, and you should check it out and change if you are in another country. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.